Now that you know what is MCP, maybe you want to create an MCP server and connect it with a tool of your choice. That's exactly what we are going to do in this video. Create a new NPM project and add these dependencies. We're going to create an MCP server that keeps a track of our tasks, and to do that, we're going to store it in SQLite. Next up, we need an MCP server imported, create a new MCP server, created a new database, and I've given a full path here. I've essentially created a new table called tasks. I've also imported Zord and stdio server transport. Next, we add a tool to our server called add task, and we give it a description, the input argument shape. After that, run this, we insert the task, that the title that we have received from the LLM, and we insert that into the database, and then we return it this way. Notice the shape of the return object. This is how you need to return for LLM. Similarly, we added another tool called complete task, which essentially updates the task status to complete it, and another tool called get task, which returns all the tasks for the user. After that, we create a new transport layer called stdio. What is stdio? Stdio basically means that we will run the process for this MCP server on the same machine as we are using for our AI LLM chat tool, whatever, for example, Claude Desktop or Cursor, Windsurf, whatever. We connect that with the server. After that, you're done. I'm going to go to the new chat and say, what are my pending tasks and can you record a video task to it? I can't access your personal task list is what it is saying. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to tools and then create a new task server tool. To do that, we need to put this command npx tsx and full path of our file. Just press save and turn this on. Now it is getting my task and adding to the task. Added the task, record a video to your list of tasks. Currently there are no pending tasks. So what are my pending tasks? You can see that it says record a video is a pending task. Now I just say I have recorded a video. So now hopefully it should remove that task. Show me all my tasks. You can see that it is going to get one task which is recorded, and that's it. That's how you create your own MCP server. If this is something that you want to make for your own service, get in touch with me. Me and my team can build you an amazing MCP server. Thank you.